So, using the laminator, pretty straightforward. Flick it on. Power should be there, and that will go green after about a couple of minutes. This should always be set to hot if you want it to laminate, obviously. Obviously you want it set to on. When it's ready, all you would need is either a big pouch or a little one, and these separate in half. Slide the paper in, close it around it, sorted. When you're ready, all you would need to do is feed it into this gap there. It'll slowly take the paper, bring it out the other side laminated. You can flick it off when you're done. As far as the guillotine, there's a small lock around here. You want it set to unlocked, ready to use. Slide whatever you want under this little plastic grill, and then when you're ready, cut. Simple.